Have you ever thought about what could disrupt our lives? A burst of solar energy could cause chaos on Earth. Today, we'll explore solar flares and their impact on our power grid. Solar flares are massive energy bursts from the sun. They release radiation and particles into space, sometimes colliding with Earth's magnetic field. This disruption can affect our power systems. First, solar flares emit X-rays and UV radiation. Next, they create geomagnetic storms. These storms induce electric currents on Earth, which can overload power grids. Overloaded grids may lead to blackouts or damages. In a severe scenario, a massive solar flare could hit Earth. This may cause widespread outages for weeks or months. Communication systems like satellites could also fail, disrupting internet access, radio signals, and navigation. Water supplies could falter, impacting hospitals that need electricity for critical operations. Can you imagine the chaos in our cities? In 1989, a solar storm caused Quebec's blackout, leaving millions in darkness for 9 hours. Modern society relies heavily on electricity. If a major flare struck, the effects would be dire. Experts warn we must prepare for such events. To protect our grid, we should upgrade old power infrastructure. We must also develop better forecasting systems to predict solar storms. Power companies need backup plans based on solar activity data. Education on solar flares is essential at all levels. Government should invest in public awareness campaigns. Staying informed is crucial. Solar flares pose serious risks to our power grid. Understanding and preparing for these events is essential to prevent chaos. Want to learn more about solar flares? Subscribe for updates on our next video. The impact extends beyond power loss. Industries relying on electricity, like manufacturing and technology, could face major delays. Supply chains might falter, leading to shortages of essentials. Transportation systems could halt, affecting freight and daily commuting. This could create a state of emergency, prompting rapid government action for recovery. Emergency services would be strained responding to crises from this disruption. The economy would suffer, causing instability and panic among investors. As resources dwindle, competition for essentials could lead to hoarding. Trust in public institutions may erode if recovery falters, leaving citizens vulnerable. Society would feel stress from uncertainty and fear, highlighting the need for preparedness. Communities must come together, sharing resources and supporting one another. Neighborhoods might establish communication networks to stay informed. Local leaders would need to restore order and aid citizens during recovery. Collaboration between citizens and officials could alleviate some of the effects, fostering unity in crisis. Individuals must remain calm and support each other. Amid adversity, empathy and compassion are crucial for recovery. Technological innovations will play a key role in our resilience. We must develop grid systems capable of withstanding solar disruptions. Research into alternative energy sources could accelerate as communities seek independence. Microgrids may allow neighborhoods to manage their own energy. Advances in battery storage technology would ensure critical infrastructure is operational during solar flare events. These shifts could transform our relationship with energy and promote preparedness. Lessons learned from past experiences will shape future policies for a secure energy landscape. Our community's resilience during crises depends on our social fabric. Collaborative efforts can bring hope in despair, reminding us that unity lights the way. Let's embrace proactive measures and a culture of preparedness for future challenges. Together, we can navigate nature's unpredictability and emerge stronger. Remember, our resilience is our greatest asset.